Hybrids are offspring resulting from the breeding of two genetically distinct individuals, which usually will result in a high degree of heterozygosity. Though hybrid and heterozygous are not synonymous. The deliberate or accidental hybridizing of two or more species of closely related animals through captive breeding is a human activity which has been in existence for millennia and has grown for economic purposes. Hybrids between different subspecies within a species, such as between the Bengal tiger and Siberian tiger, are known as intraspecific hybrids. Hybrids between different species within the same genus, such as between lions and tigers, are known as interspecific hybrids or crosses. Hybrids between different genera, such as between sheep and goats, are known as intergeneric hybrids. Natural hybrids will occur in hybrid zones, where two populations of species within the same genera or species living in the same or adjacent areas will interbreed with each other. Some hybrids have been recognized as species, such as the red wolf. Though this is controversial, artificial selection, the deliberate selective breeding of domestic animals, is being used to breed back recently extinct animals in an attempt to achieve an animal breed with a phenotype that resembles that extinct wild-type ancestor. A breeding back intraspecific hybrid may be very similar to the extinct wild-type in appearance, ecological niche and to some extent genetics. But the initial gene pool of that wild type is lost forever with its extinction. As a result, bredback breeds are at best vague lookalikes of extinct wild types. As heck cattle are of the aurochs, purebred wild species evolved to a specific ecology can be threatened with extinction through the process of genetic pollution, the uncontrolled hybridization, introgression genetic swamping which leads to homogenization or out-competition from the heterocytes. Hybrid species. When new populations are imported or selectively bred by people, or when habitat modification brings previously isolated species into contact. Extinction in some species, especially rare varieties, is possible. Interbreeding can swamp the rarer gene pool and create hybrids, depleting the purebred gene pool. For example, the endangered wild water buffalo is most threatened with extinction by genetic pollution from the domestic water buffalo. Such extinctions are not always apparent from a morphological standpoint. Some degree of gene flow is a normal evolutionary process. Nevertheless, hybridization threatens the existence of rare species.